Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another week of Behind the Counter. This episode's super good, so I'm excited for you guys to watch it.
Monday the 6th.
Beautiful day.
Absolutely beautiful day.
There we go, got a delivery already.
Oh, thanks, guys.
Good. Exhausted.
Busy?
Everyone. Tyler can carry it.
Because I'm holding it.
So upload some products on there.
Okay.
And in terms of the remaining pictures that we said the team is still working on.
Just organising, I should have that done hopefully today or tomorrow. It should all be done by Friday. Okay, thanks,
Thank
Dom.
you.
Tyler, what are you doing?
Nothing. Just sweeping the front of the store because it's disgusting. And a vacuum as well.
What's the best way to get that dirt out, Tyler?
I think I'm just making it worse at this stage. Stocking up the new bags that we just dropped last night. Brooke's on the way home. Having a day off today and tomorrow. Aren't you, Brooke?
Yes.
Leaving us to do it all.
Got these on the last spine trip.
Pretty hard to get. Yeah, I'm just stacking all the paper just so they look good on the shelves. Got a boom. Also got some Nike ones, some Marlboro. Got the Nike side bags as well. This one's probably my favorite out of the lot. That side bag sort of coming in at the minute. Yeah, just a whole bunch of Polo Sport side bags.
Just in time for summer,
Just
eh?
in time for the festival season.
Have a look at a few that we got out on the racks. All available in store. Tyler's getting the new ones ready.
You going in tomorrow or not?
If you want.
No, I'm joking.
He's having the day off.
Yeah, so maybe we'll just wait till Friday for you to do that. Join as a seller TikTok that you're taking tomorrow as well. See ya.
See you later.
And just like that, she's gone.
Got the A-team on.
The A-team on.
Me and Tyler.
The duo.
How are these bags looking? Oh, looking nice. You got them stacked.
You know, I gotta make them perfect. Perfect amount of paper.
People are gonna love them.
Bit of bubble wrap in there just to mix her up a bit, you know? These are
Who's Tyler?
I thought you were soaking it. I thought you were soaking that for the TikTok that we're doing.
What?
Like, because we're doing the cleaning TikTok.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh yeah, I started filming the bucket.
Oh. I'm doing the cleaning the outdoors. I'm keeping the shop clean today.
First time ever.
You do this weekly.
Nah, we try to do this as much as we can. It does get pretty bad.
You're doing a lot of construction out there, so it's dusty. It's not my first rodeo, is it, Tyler?
Isn't it? She's a bit dusty.
She's dusty.
So we've got a bit of stock coming in for the markets and for the summer and festivals.
Right.
Whoa.
Open her up, Stewie.
I got this, rookie.
Do the Tyler cut.
Don't ever call me that again.
So we picked these on our last fine trip. Finally arrived. These are all the shoulder bags.
Might be work.
First
So
festival season vibes. It's right in time for strawberry Meredith. Sometimes they.
ooh, there's a few in here. We got some nice ones.
Tommy side bag.
The North Face.
Polo Sport.
Got the old. I don't know what this is.
Towel bag.
towel bag with the back.
The random polo sport duffel.
I'll show you this one. I'll show you why I got this one, Tyler.
Why'd you get that one, Stu?
Look at this. You unzip it. This is crazy. It's only that big. Nice. Double the size.
So we love big duffel. Going camping, festivals, or you're just at the thrift. Want to bring a big bag. All stocked up for the festy season. Heaps in store as well.
Get these up next week.
Smile,
Oh,
man.
someone's actually filming me for once.
It's been missing now. There's nothing filmed, you know.
I'm just not in these behind the counter. This is all you guys, isn't it?
Are you jealous?
We're stars in the making.
Everyone wants Brooke and Stu. No one wants.
No one
Tyler.
Tyler. Seeing Tyler too much.
Don't forget to donate to his Movember.
Medium mustache right now.
Ooh, it's
Like-
looking,
Yeah.
looking good.
It looks like you have a hair transplant. Mustache.
You mean a turkey to get that done?
No wonder it's coming back so quick.
Why were you on that flight the other week? Box has arrived.
You too, man. New box.
You want to open that now?
Well, now we're just doing an unboxing day by the look of it.
Where's the knife gone? Is it at the front?
It's in the photo room.
Oh,
Just leave it at this, Duke.
What's in the box, Tyler? What
This is
we...
all. I actually have no clue.
t-shirts.
I didn't pack the box. This stupid.
This one's black tees, mixed branded, probably surf.
Just so a bit of mix of everything, mate.
We're getting all the tees for summer, you know. Everyone's been asking about the tees.
30 degrees today.
Should we go through the whole box?
Might as well. Let's be really critical with Stu this time.
Yeah. You guys are picky when I.
We want the best. We want the best stock for everyone. For
Everyone's
our
loving the
customers.
Reeboks, you know.
Yeah, Reeboks are.
Reeboks are going hard, man.
Reeboks are in at the moment.
Y2K, guess. Tyler loves the Banana Republic. Tyler hates
I hate Banana Republic.
Why?
It's a nice colour.
That's a nice colour. I'll give you that. Do you just taking over my...
Tyler just drops it on the. Do you guys see that one?
Got the polo.
Oh, that's fresh.
Polar bear as well.
Ooh.
Oh.
Heater.
Heater.
They're all heat.
I think they're all
Look at that.
good.
Polo.
You getting the...
Ralph
Oh,
Lauren.
this one's... Whoa.
On
Got the
Dutchie.
vintage Von Dutch.
The back.
Oh, it's a bit small for me. Long sleeve, but that's sick. Vintage Von Dutch.
Tommy.
Oh, that's a Lanto.
Atlanta. Put that to the
Heaps
Is that's Tyler's pile?
Put that to the side.
Got a bit of Atlanta going on. Oh, it's the World Cup soccer, actually.
World Cup.
NBA season's
That's
just
a cool
started as
shirt.
well.
Denver
Just the best basketball in the game. Some Celtics, they're the favourites this year.
Good colour. Hard to
Nice.
get
Big
the
size,
black
huh?
Celtics.
Wow.
Tyler will probably
Look how big
steal that.
is. It's like a 5XL. 4XL.
Beckham, 23.
Let's see. Turn the front.
Real Madrid, eh?
Damn.
Damn.
That's a cool one.
Bit of 90s.
Ooh,
Fire
my size.
girl.
It looks like my size.
Too big. Too
Quicksilver.
small.
I'm gonna fit you.
This is a pretty rare Nike one actually. With the hat and and it's
Golf.
nice size as well.
We're actually supposed to be selling it, not. It's not Tyler's wardrobe.
Rusty.
I'm getting dizzy with how much good Nike there is.
Metal swoosh.
Middle swoosh? Alright, there's middle swoosh too. Okay.
So these some of these Adelaide on Sunday.
Gotta get it for the gram, you know. Everyone loves larges. We don't have enough on the website at the moment. Selling so much of it.
So I've got the last pile. That's what we get in a box.
Touchdown, Adelaide.
Adelaide, there we come. We're excited.
All stocked up.
Sunday fun day.
So we're at the fashion thrift. I'm going to show you some of our favourite Nike tees that we've got. Should have picked it before the video, but there was one Nike tee that I really liked. I think it was down here. This one doesn't sell first. We got some problems. But we're going to go around to all the sellers today. Super excited to meet everyone in Adelaide. I don't know why I'm whispering, but yeah, we're ready to. I'm excited. Dead.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Behind the Counter, where we catch up about our week and give you a bit of a run through. So Stu, what did you get up to?
So tonight I'm going to send out a newsletter about OV Market. Just tonight's one's going to be on frequently asked questions from all the people who have sent emails and we've talked to at the market. So we're going to update you guys on that. And also we'll have some big developments for our next episode.
So I'll go through everything that happened this week. So we went to Adelaide on Sunday. We met a whole bunch of the sellers. It was a super positive response by everyone, and it was really nice meeting everyone. We also got a whole bunch of shoulder bags, jorts, just in time for summer and festival season. But yeah, going to go through everything else that's happened this week, Brooke.
I would love to, Tyler. So we are also 20% off in-store and online today, and for the next few weeks. So make sure you check that out. We are putting up stock every day, so there'll be new stuff on the website and new stuff in-store. So if you're in Melbourne, come check it out. Yeah,
it's been a busy weekend. Thanks for everyone that's come through. But yeah, that's a wrap. Behind the Counter. See you next week.
Time.
Whoa, see you guys.
So that's another episode of Behind the Counter done. These are releasing every Tuesday, so make sure you like, subscribe, follow our journey. See you next week.